Hey guys, it's Omar with Side Hustle Exploration. Today, we're going to be talking about 3 ways to turn your Fiverr freelancing into a legit business. I just want to let you guys know that, again, I'm Omara, and the purpose of this channel is to help others diversify their pockets through side hustles that I have done, as well as side hustles that I will be working on doing and bringing you guys along in. So enough said, let's get into it. I'm gonna give you guys 3 examples of Fiverr freelancing ideas and show you how you can turn it into a business. Here we go. This is option 1. So in this example, we have, let me use me as an example, a person who sells content on Fiverr, aka I provide social media posts for your Instagram. I will do your captions, I will do your designs, I will do your hashtag research. That is the Fiverr freelancing work that I will be doing. Now, how do I turn that from a freelance situation into a business situation? What we're going to do is keep a list of all the individuals in which we have provided assistance to and track their reviews, see what their reviews say, and store those details off to the side for future use. Future use being letting other people know how bomb you are. Now, with that being said, you're going to now communicate with people and create a whole separate page or a separate model or a website catering to that freelance work. And as you communicate with the individuals that you work with, if they're looking for more one-on-one services, you can let them know I do offer one-on-one services. And then you find a way to legally do so within Fiverr's policy that now can lead them to you moving forward with you. Or you can suggest, wink wink, suggest that if they do have people that are looking for the services that you provide, you offer, they can visit you on XYZ platform or XYZ link, whatever is best for you. But make sure you are in compliance with Fiverr's rules and policies. Option 2, example number 2, however you want to say it, bam, 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 is if you are a marketing individual, you're helping people gain more followers, you're helping people attract more customers to their restaurant, to their business, to their store, their boutique, you're able to show and prove that your services are of good quality. You actually provide results. Those results, again, similar to option 1 or example 1, you will be tabulating, saving for later all of this information for that specific idea and turn this marketing freelance situation into a marketing business, online business at that, where you can turn your freelance job into a full-time business, entrepreneur style, and succeed in that realm because you've had your case study, aka Fiverr, to gather up what kind of things worked for you, what didn't work for you, finding ways to kind of build on that and build a client base so that you have great people that can rave and rant about you and will refer you to other people that they know. So that referral thing is the best. So on to the 3rd example. So number 3, the 3rd example, let's use singing as an option. So you're a singer. You help other people develop their voices on Fiverr. And you've been doing this for about a year or 2 years. And you're seeing your people are enjoying the service that you provide. You're seeing people are going from beginner to intermediate. You're seeing people being more confident, being flourishing, and able to show off their skills without fear. You're able to pull something out of them, and they are raving about the quality of service you provide and the way you make them feel. You're going to take that information similarly to the other options and utilize it for the future of your, could be a singing school, could be a studio where you are providing singing lessons as well as allowing people to record music. It could be you doing primarily just singing lessons online or on a one-to-one basis based off what kind of clientele you're looking for. All of these are up in the air for what you can do. The options are literally endless. Fiverr is a great way to figure out the needs of your potential client and serving it up on a plate, because literally you have the people leaving comments, leaving reviews, etc., letting you know what they like and what they don't like about what you provide, the service you give, etc. So it is a great way to learn your market as well as build into your future business endeavors. So with that said, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is Omara with Side Hustle Exploration. If you haven't already liked my video, go ahead and do so. If you want to share it, do that as well. A girl will appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that. And it's Omara signing off. Bye, guys.